Left Yogi, and this is the yoga dog Loki. So we were talking headstands the other day, and I was discussing how we really need to keep our neck long. And so it's as though we're trying to get the extension on all sides of our neck, as though we're one of those beautiful women with all the rings around their neck, right? And that long extended neck, so that we can also engage our upper abs. One of the rules of headstand, we don't jump into headstand. I don't even like kicking into headstand. I like to feel as though you're moving in control. I also tell a lot of new students to do it on the wall. That way, if they do flip out or something, that they're utilizing the wall. So for that purpose, I am actually going to shift my yoga mat over. Whenever I lift into headstand, whether I am doing it from tripod, or even if I'm doing the little fancy headstand, right? Notice that my neck is really long, and I've got my shoulders set back, and I didn't force myself into it because that can hurt your neck. So with newbies, one of the things besides the little headstand setup that I really enjoy, let's set those over here real quick. Here we are. So I set this for my height. One of the other things that you want to check is to make sure that you can put your shoulders on these and then the head on the floor. I'm gonna do tripod pose this time. If you're new to coming into headstand, get my little Princess Leia muffins on, right? If you're new to headstand, one of the things that I'll tell people to do is just try to draw the knee in, and then you'll notice that the weight shifts. It almost becomes lighter. And when it becomes lighter, that's when people freak out, because they're like, oh no, I don't have control. But think about it. When you're standing up, do you feel like, oh my God, I don't have control? What happens is that alignment when you're upside down causes the same effect when you're standing up. So when you hit that light point and the feet start to float up, that means that you're coming into alignment. The hips have bypassed enough to offset your weight, and now the legs can lift up. When you do this, make sure, once again, upper abs are active, but those shoulder heads are back and the neck is long. Also make sure you can breathe. Hope that helps, guys. Try it a few times, try it with both legs, and also think about maybe activating your toes. Bye, guys.